Hi, my name is Michelle Philippak and I'm your kids yoga teacher. I've been teaching in Okemos for 22 years. I graduated from Michigan State with a math major and a chemistry minor. So I'm the 8th grade math teacher all day and I have a 7th hour yoga elective. I also have 3 kids of my own that are in Okemos. They're in 9th grade, 7th grade, and 5th grade. So I have a lot to do with Okemos, I guess. This is my 6th year teaching yoga. 6 years ago, I earned my yoga teaching certification and I started the yoga elective, and it's been going strong ever since. We do Hatha yoga and Vinyasa yoga, and we do yoga to music. So every Tuesday and Friday for that hour, your kid is doing yoga pretty much the whole entire time. Probably the best compliment I've gotten so far this year is, this is really hard. So they seem to be sweating and stretching and working and giving it their best effort. So far so great. On Wednesdays, they do have a YouTube link to do a shortened practice, and then they do have a little Google form to fill out in Google Classroom, some questions and answers. So their grade is based on completing that and giving yoga their best attempt on the Tuesdays and Fridays live. And by giving it their best attempt, they can modify when needed. A big part of yoga is listening to your body and tuning in. So I always say, if something doesn't feel right, make sure you modify. Hopefully through yoga, I'm hoping that your kids each cultivate an inner sense of peace that they didn't know they had, and they're a little less reactive out there in the world and a little more able to put themselves in others' shoes and have empathy. So I really believe yoga could change the world. I believe it's amazing for all people. I know I feel better when I do it, and I'm honored and thankful that you've shared your kids with me. They're amazing, and have allowed them to do yoga. It's been great so far. So have a great day.